Mortals of the realm, heed my words. 'Tis the season to be jolly, a time when festivity and joy envelop the lands. A time where even I set aside the chains of warfare to embrace the spirit of giving. As the frost adorns the realms, I extend my solemn wish to all of you. A Merry Christmas. 'Tis a time not just for the clashing of swords or the sound of battle cries, but for the laughter of loved ones, the sharing of stories, and the warmth of companionship. In the echoes of this joyous season, let us remember the importance of kindness, of empathy, and of standing by one another, no matter the trials we face. Reflect upon the lessons learned throughout the year, the battles fought within and without. Let this time be a respite from the chaos, a moment to cherish the bonds that unite us. And as you celebrate, may your hearts be filled not just with merriment, but with the courage to face the challenges ahead. For even in times of peace, one must remain vigilant. So, raise your goblets, exchange gifts, and cherish these moments. From the depth of my being, I wish you all a Merry Christmas. May your days be filled with hope, your spirits unwavering, and your journeys, whether mortal or divine, be guided by wisdom. Until we meet again, farewell.